Good morning, everybody. It's Dr. Susan Marra with Dr. Marra's Medical Minutes. And today we're going to talk about Rinse. This is Rinse, and you can get it on Amazon. And the reason it's important, it is molecular iodine. And what it does is amazing. You put a cupful in your water pick water and add warm water, and you spray around the edges of your gums, inside and out of your teeth, and it will remove any gingivitis or periodontal disease that you have that's related to infection in your mouth. For example, I have Bartonella, and Bartonella has affected my gums. And so I use Rinse twice a day, and I just really slowly move the water pick around my gums, inside and out. And in 6 months, I went from having gingivitis and periodontal disease to now I have nothing. And so I've just continued to use this twice a day and continued to go to the dentist. And I've had no cavities, 0 cavities, and 0 gingivitis. So this is a game changer for your oral microbiome health. It is molecular iodine. It's called Rinse, and you can get it on Amazon. And you put it into your water pick water, or you can gargle with it as well. But I think water pick water is a better idea. It's more targeted, and you will completely reverse your gingivitis. So I hope this little tidbit helps you, and I hope you have a wonderful day.